Origins Football, first off the line. First look at this stuff, actually. Came in yesterday. We did not rip any of it. First break of the afternoon. Let's get after it. We'll start off with Ryan Fitzpatrick base. As AFC East. Followed by an NFC East. Amari Cooper. That's a good name. Does it have ink? Oh, son of a gun. Still nice hit though. Joe Burrow. Numbered 50 of 99. 2-color patch for the AFC North. Goes to Chungus. All right, then we have autograph numbered 11 of 17. KJ Hamler for the Broncos. That's AFC West. Goes a heat check. Patch autograph numbered to 75 is Anthony McFarland Jr. And Steelers for the AFC North. Chungus. Then we have a Daniel Jones, number to 299 for the NFC East. And Ryan Tannehill, numbered 8 of 17. Bonus parallel for the AFC South. That one goes to Darren. Okay. Box 2. All right, base card is Bobby Wagner for the NFC West Seahawks. Max Crosby base for the AFC West Raiders. All right, next up is a jumbo jersey of A.J. Brown, numbered 75 for the AFC South. That one goes to Darren, Tennessee Titans. Rookie autograph, number 2 of 17, is DeAndre Swift for the NFC North. That goes to Paul. And also for the NFC North, we have a Green Bay Packers. And that is A.J. Dillon. To 299, Stephon Diggs. That is AFC East base. And Mr. MVP, nice parallel right here, 14 of 17. Lamar Jackson goes to the AFC North, Chungus. All right. No randoms to do. Appreciate it, guys. I will get all this stuff packed up, shipped out ASAP.